Okay, hi everyone. This is small tutorial for my packages. It's very easy. I made this rig and all packages on inside Sprite Editor, and you should be go to from window to package manager and download this six plugin to the animation, to the pixel perfect, to the BSD importer, to the sprite, to the sprite shape, to the tail map editor. That's what I'm using in this project and should be downloaded from the package manager. It's free actually. I put empty object and put it the prefab hero inside it. You can find it there. Here is it. Now at easily you see this script is for easy to use. You can find male hero and female hero. The number 2 is for female, number 1 is for male. Okay, if I want to use it, the animation inside it, just I put recording, I put the idle, and after few frames you should be turn off this idle and should be start normally. It's very easy. You can find two files inside my packages is a BSD file. You can find the head for all the poses. Let me show you. It's very easy. If you want to change the color, change anything inside it, you can. It's very easy and directly is imported inside the character. If you want change the head, directly go inside like from side, and same thing in 3/4 and front. Go to head 1, you can find what many style of hair. Same thing, you can see I want delete, I want the other hair like this. It's very easy, very helpfully, and I hope so it will be very good in your project. If you want any question, please put that in my description inside my YouTube. I hope to it's for easily to use it. Goodbye.